As AB 2927 brings a new financial literacy requirement to California high schools and graduating seniors, Junior Achievement stands ready to support you in meeting the mandate and preparing students with the tools for lifelong financial fluency. The JA team in California is ready to work alongside you, our educators and school district leaders, to help empower young people to make informed financial decisions that fuel their future success. Using turnkey A through G approved courses that meet all 13 mandated themes, we're here to support you and together empower our students.
So that partnership with JA has been a wonderful opportunity for the students within Compton. It's provided our students with lots of opportunities for them to consider how do you go about budgeting, how do you go about saving. It has built their ability to think in detail.
With Junior Achievement, student learning is enhanced through experiential programs like Finance Park, a budgeting simulation where students can put their classroom learning directly into action. Managing a budget, navigating financial choices, and most importantly, connecting education to career and how those decisions shape their life and future success.
JA Finance Park has got to be one of the highlights of my year, and students look forward to it every year. They get to take all those things that we learned in the classroom, all of that theory, and really put it to use. And so seeing how it fits together from the job that they pick to how their gross income turns down to net income, and then how they have to make use of that budget is just really impactful.
JA Finance Park provides students with a safe environment, a runway, if you will, to practice financial decision-making and become connected to role models in their community, inspiring young people to envision a brighter future for themselves, their families, and their communities.
I love working with the JA team, and as part of my job as College and Career Readiness Coordinator, I work with a lot of different organizations, and there's just something really special about Junior Achievement and the way that they hire people that care so deeply about students, care so deeply about communities, and they really believe in these programs that support our students, our young people, our families, and our communities as a whole. So that really sets them apart.
As you get ready to meet the mandate, please know that JA is here for you. For more information and to get in touch with our team, please visit california.ja.org.